Hello, hi, I am Jayashri Agrawal. And do you want to learn or do you want to know what are colors? How are they important? How they can treat your ailments related to your health? Or what are the simple tips that you can follow to heal yourself, your body, your mind, and your emotions? So, this is the perfect place for you. If you are interested in this topic, stay tuned till the end of the video. I am Jayashri Agrawal. I am practicing numerology since 20 years and I have lots of clients who have experienced change and growth in their life by following just simple tips of numbers, numerology, color. So today I thought let's start give you some different topic related to the colors. Let me introduce. I am also a clinical hypnotherapist, a gemologist, a tarot card reader, a healer, and practice many different modalities. My main aim is to help others in their life to grow. So let's see what is color therapy. Color therapy is also known as chromotherapy, and it is a method of treating the different ailments related to your health, your body, or your mood, or your emotions by using different colors. There are different colors, as many colors there are in the rainbow. So different colors, they are different shades, and with those shades and colors you can heal yourself. Color therapy is a complementary therapy. It is not an alternative for the medical care. So we can use color therapy with the medical therapy. There are people who use it in combination, like color therapy with aromatherapy, or in the spas they use different colors of cloth or different color of lights to heal that particular part of your body or your chakras. So in this way it can be combined with the other therapies also to be used. What is color therapy? It is based on the idea that colors create an electrical impulse in our brain which stimulates hormonal and biochemical processes in our body. These processes either stimulate us or calm us. It depends on person to person. For example, blue or purple color shades, they are anti-inflammatory and also calming colors. Green color helps to purify or to clean or clear the things. Then white and yellow stimulates the lymphatic system. Red colors may cause agitation, and it is very effective if you are in some anxiety, stress, or depression. So these colors should be used wisely with the guidance of your some color therapist, or also the body also tells us. You should listen to your body. For example, see, if you are into some low phase or some depression or some sadness, so automatically your body likes to eat some apple or tomatoes, or it likes to have some oranges. So your body tells you it requires the things which are not in the body, in the system. So in this way the body will guide you what you have to eat. So today I will tell you some basics about the colors. In Indian philosophy, we have 7 chakras. These are known as the energy centers, and each chakra has a particular color, and each chakra also have particular part of the body related to their health, emotions, or how you can deal with those in your life. So in this way, let us see one by one each color. Now let's start with the red color. The red color is the color of the root chakra, that is at the base of the chakra system. It is connected with the earth. And the red color, it is basically more important for physical energy, to have stability in life, to gain the roti kapda and makan. ये चीज़ों को हासिल करने के लिए, if we lack, let's use red color. I will also tell you how these different colors can be used. So red color, it gives us stability, it gives us passion, it gives us energy, physical energies in your body. If you feel ki you are lack of stamina, or you are not having those energetic energies to work, or to use red color basically. The next color is the orange color. It is for the sacral chakra, which is located 2 to 3 inches below the navel. And this color is, it stimulates creativity. It is also good for reproduction, pleasure, optimism, passion. So it helps in expressing yourself. The next color is the yellow color. It represents the solar plexus chakra in the body, which is the third chakra. And it is full of fun, lightness, personal power, or intellect, logical. Like you will see ki McDonald, it has a yellow color symbol or logo. So we feel that thing. So it can be used in that way also. Then next color is the green color, which is basically the color of the heart chakra. And the heart chakra is in the center of the full the full chakra system. And green color, it represents support, balance, harmony, love, good relationship, acceptance. So whenever you feel some imbalance if of this color, automatically those emotions, or you feel helpless in those emotions, or you feel something is not going very fine in those emotions, so automatically you will have some guava, or you will have some green colored juice, or you like to watch a green poster in your house. So in this way you can use these color as a therapy also. The next color is the blue color, and this blue color is basically for your throat chakra. Blue color works for your throat chakra. वहाँ पर it will give you thyroid के लिए रहेगा, for metabolism, to increase your metabolism also, और peacefully expressing yourself, that is most important. Communication, honesty, calmness, appreciate your beauty. So in this way, this blue color, basically blue color is very very lucky for each and every one. So it is also known as a lucky universal color. You can use blue most of the places for peace, harmony. As you can see, my background is also blue. I have a blue logo, and in my wardrobe you will see most of the colors which I wear are of blue color because I love that color. Next is the indigo color, which represents our third eye chakra, and it is located between the eyebrows. This indigo color represents self responsibility, inner strength, intuitions, connectivity. So in this way, that indigo color will give you connection between your spirituality and your materialistic goals. It will also give you very much clarity, or you can say clairvoyance. If you are practicing some spirituality and you are a healer, or you are practicing these type of modalities, so you should go for an indigo color. Next color is the violet color, and that is a very very important color. It is also known as the color of royalty, or royal color. It is for peace, intuitions, imaginations, meditations, calmness, spirituality. It is for the crown chakra. It is in the top of the head. It will be associated with dreams, or sleep cycles, pineal glands, or light of sensitivity. So this color is also very important. Now let us see how you can use the different colors. So I have got you a very nice short method how you can use. See, first of all, I have said you listen to your body. If you are struggling, you are in a pain, or you are not very much comfortable with your emotions, what your body feels like watching some scenery of green color, watching the blue sky, or just uh, imagining the mountains. These are the brown, green, or white mountains. So your body will tell you automatically what it wants. You can use these things by watching those sceneries or the nature, or you can eat that type of fruits which you want to heal or charge that particular chakra, or you want to balance that imbalanced color in your body. You can also drink fruit juices or vegetable juices of these colors. Then you can paint your wall. If you feel कि something is not balanced in your life, or you are lacking those colors, you have some fear. So where is that fear stored? It is stored in your gut. It is stored in your abdomen, in your stomach area. So for that, if yellow, orange color is used, you will get that confidence. You will get that feeling of achiever in you. So in this way you can use these colors. So you can use as juices, paints, or even you can wear those color clothes. So you can just try for 7 days, take a challenge for 7 days, wear that color or be in the frequency of that color, because our mind takes those wavelengths from the colors. What are colors? They are just the wavelengths or the frequencies which our mind is taking it and generating it outside. Even you can have those light treatments, means that color bulb, or you can take those color lights, or you can watch that lights. But while watching, just take some precautions for your eyes also. You are not very much focused for those bright lights. And even for crystals, see, there are many different color crystals also. So this will be totally all 7 chakras ke liye hai. But you can make water of the crystals. Wash your crystals very nicely. Take pure water in a glass vessel, glass or a bottle, and you can put this particular crystal, which color water you want to make, and after that keep it for 24 hours or 48 hours, and then you can drink that water to balance that particular color in your body. The other thing is also, what I do it regularly in my house, or I use it regularly, is you can take some glass bottles of different colors, like green color, red color, blue color, white color. You get color bottles also, which are very easily available in the market, and you can fill it with pure water in that, and after that you can keep that bottle with filled water in it for 3 days in sunlight with the cap on, and then after the 3 days your color water is ready. Now it is ready for you to heal yourself, to charge your body, your emotions, your mind, everything can be charged. So just follow it, use it for 7 days. थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी आप उसमें से पीजिए डेली 2 to 3 टाइम्स. इतना आप अगर और बॉटल आप रख के इतना वो रेडी हो जाएगा, फिर ये इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी एलिमेंट्स, हेल्थ इश्यूज़ रिलेटेड टू सम पर्टिकुलर कलर्स, ट्राई यूजिंग दिस, बट विद द प्रिकॉशंस कि मेडिकल केयर के लिए आपको जो मेडिसिन्स या जो डॉक्टर ने प्रिस्क्राइब किया है you have to continue that. You cannot avoid those things. This will just be a complementary therapy जो आपको हेल्प करेगा आपके मेटाबॉलिज्म को इंक्रीज करने के लिए. ओके, सो दिस इज़ फ्रॉम जयश्री अग्रवाल. Thanks a lot, and I hope you will like it, you will follow it. Just give me your suggestions, your comments below the video. Thank you.